fair few people around, surfing and swimming and it. Hey, bro. Yeah, good morning. Very nice morning. How you going, bro? Selling my buggy?
Buggy.
Alright, so we're at the Padma Resort. And I've never ever stayed here, you know that, but it's very popular. And I'm just coming in to see about booking for the buffet lunch. Apparently they've got a big buffet lunch a mile Yurley's away. I'm going to come and check it out. Now this is a massive complex. It's on a few hectares, you know. So we're just looking for the office. So these must be all the rooms. There's all different styles of rooms, bungalows and just rooms. And I didn't realise there was so many rooms in here. But it is nice and it's big. Now they wouldn't let me bring Lucy in on the bike, so I had to park out the front there. So, alright, so it looks like this is the office up here. So I'll just turn the camera off and get back to you when I'm in there. Okay, so what they've got is Monday is Italian, Wednesday's Balinese food, and Friday, it's like a dinner thing. There is no buffet lunch or brunch or anything like that here. Apparently that's all out in Nusa Dua. And it's about 450,000, I think, about 40 bucks. Eat as much as you want. So that's about it. Whether I'll come for the Italian one, the Balinese one, or the Asian one on Friday, I'm not sure. I'm not even sure whether I'll actually come to this one. Maybe I'll do Nusa Dua one, because I was after seafood. And while Yuli's away, I may as well have a good lash out and have a good seafood feed. So anyway, that's it from the Padma Resort. It's really nice in here. And we're probably about 200 metres from the beach here. So it goes a long way through to the beach. So it's a massive complex. It must be, I don't know, it might be 5 or 6 hectares, probably of land. There's a lot of land here. Anyway, get on the bike while Lucy's waiting, and we'll head out. Hello, it's a good girl. She's been waiting patiently on the bike. I've been in there for 20 minutes. There you go, let's. Alright, get on the bike and maybe go look for some breakfast. So we'll just see how busy it is on Garlic Lane while we're cruising through. It's very quiet. It's about 8:30 in the morning, it's still pretty early, but there's normally a lot of people around having breakfast this time of morning. So there's a few people in there. Yeah, it's very quiet. It's a bit too quiet for this street yet, I suppose. A few stragglers having breakfast and yeah, that's about it. Okay, down the beach. It's about 11 o'clock, maybe 11:30 in the morning. Let's come down here, bro. How are you? See how busy it is, yeah. Everything's set up. There's a fair few people around. There's a lot of locals around. It'll get a lot more busier, and it always does at sunset, of course. And this is like the hottest time of day, so. Yeah. Anyway, I've got a couple of mates down here. A doctor from Sydney apparently is here. I'm going to see if you. Oh, are you as camera shy as a little bro or what?
Yeah, hello.
How are you, mate? Good to see you again.
Hello.
Yeah.
How are you, bro?
Yeah, I'm just wondering which one's greyer.
Oh.
Look at Swifty he puts hair dye in.
This is YouTube, man.
Yeah,
it's great. He's made me famous. Everyone comes past me.
They yell at you, and they yell at you at KC.
They do.
No,
have you seen the videos?
Yeah.
What?
No, I haven't yet. What's the moniker? What do you call?
That's SouthernCrossGO.
Yeah. So here we've got Swifty 1 and Swifty 2. Oh no, it must be Swifty 1.
Yeah, Swifty 1.
He's one. He's the original. Oh, why aren't it, mate? So where's Rud? Is he out there, is he?
Yeah. And Russell's up there, and Mateo.
Russell,
because
a bit of like Ripple Russell.
Yeah.
Is he? He commented on a video. Hey, Joseph, you're looking skinny, Joe. What's going on? Too much exercise, mate. At the gym working out, or what? It's a big boss, Joseph.
He doesn't need to be famous from the video.
He's skinny looking now.
Yeah, because he walks every morning.
Yeah, I see him walking everywhere.
Walk off its money.
So how long are you here for, mate?
Gee, another 10 days.
All right.
2 weeks.
You're not going to. You said you were going to Vietnam, but you're not going to Vietnam now.
No, I've been there. I went there 5 times in a row.
Yeah. I'm sort of getting a bit sick of it. I go twice a year.
Oh, okay.
So I didn't do the end of last year. Normally when we go, normally go about April, May, then about November. But there was massive hurricanes and shit like that up there last year, so we never went.
Bad stuff. Did you go to Nha Trang?
We did go to Nha Trang actually for the first time last time, yeah. And it's very much like Da Nang, but a bit more villagey sort of, and I like it.
Da Nang's beautiful. Yeah.
It is Da Nang, but it's getting a bit popular now because all the Thailand now, the economy's up and the visas are tight in Thailand. They're all moving to Da Nang.
Yeah, got it.
And it's like Canggu now. The social media and the digital nomads have moved into Da Nang,
Noticed that.
and the prices are going. I've noticed over the last 5 years the prices have dramatically risen in Da Nang. You know, it was the cheapest place in the world, and now it's not.
Where
You know,
did you stay
so-
when you first went to that air-conditioned hotel? You know, to the waterfront?
Yeah, Saigon.
Oh, you were in Saigon.
I was in Saigon about 5 times in a row.
Yeah.
Went up to Ha Long Bay.
No, right,
Um,
up north there.
Just had a trip up there, down to Da Nang with Mark and his wife a couple of times. Lovely.
One of my mates who's been working in Brunei, and he's back. So we'll go up and see what he's doing. It's fairly quiet. A few people on the sunbeds, but otherwise it's not too busy really. But you come down here about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, it'll be really busy, packed. Yeah. Hey boys, you. Good.
Welcome to jungle.
So welcome to the jungle.
How you going, mate?
How are you?
Ripple nipple.
Ripple, it was you the other day. I thought that's got to be fucking Russell.
Yeah.
How are you? How are you, mate?
It's Ripple.
Grant.
Nipple.
Grant.
How's
You've
it?
been in Brunei working, right?
Yeah.
Have you?
And up in Spain and
Spain.
worked in the oil and gas.
Oh, you're getting a bit gay. You got 2 earrings now. He's been to Spain.
Fit right in with the Spanish, eh? Grand, fuck off.
Yeah.
You'll have to
How are you, mate?
How are you?
Oh, I met you here the other week, didn't I? Yeah, right. Yeah.
How are you, mate?
Yeah. All right. Turn this off. All right. Good to see you again, Russell.
Yeah, you too,
All
man.
right.
Always
All
a
right.
pleasure, Grant.
All right.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Yeah, come to the RC Sunset Bar. Free beer on Thursdays all day.
Come here.
You watch how many people come on Thursdays now. So this is the Pullman Hotel. My niece's daughter was staying here last week, and I reckon it wasn't too bad. So I'll head back down and see the Swifty brothers and head off, I suppose. Here he is, the lad.
No?
He
One of yours is drivers,
one
mate.
of me viewers here, all right. And when did you get here? Just today, did you?
Yeah, just this morning, man.
All right,
Yeah.
all
Me and my wife, she's off getting the gold organised.
And you're looking for a beer on the
And
beach,
I'm
all
heading
right?
for the beach, mate. I just had a feed. We've had a long flight in
All right. Where'd you come from?
Perth, but it was 5 o'clock this morning, the flight, so it was like 3 o'clock at the airport.
Glory McGee.
I thought you'd come
Oh,
here
right.
earlier.
No, today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 9 days
All right.
here.
Yeah,
Get in,
That's
have
it
a
from
beer,
Perth, nice and quick holiday, isn't it, mate?
Yeah.
Good one,
Only
yeah.
3 hours,
Yeah.
3 and a bit hours.
Yeah. So how many times you been up here? Hundreds?
Yeah, I have. Yeah, we have. Yeah, we come 2-3 times a year.
Yeah, right. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, well, because
Yeah.
from Perth, it's just so easy, isn't it?
Yeah,
Convenient,
oh, mate,
isn't
yes,
it?
it's real easy. Real
So
easy.
what was tickets prices worth?
Return with the extra baggage because we
Oh,
went
right.
with Transnusa. It was about $500 each return.
All right. Well, it's a bit pricey for there, but with extra baggage.
Yeah, with the extra baggage. Yeah.
Why, your missus shopaholic, is she?
Well, we take a lot of stuff home.
Yeah, right.
We buy like incense here and satay
Yeah,
and
right.
food and stuff and take it home with us. Yeah.
You take satay home?
Yeah, because you can't buy it at home. You can't buy the blocks of it. at
Oh,
home.
the
You
peanut,
you
yeah, the
that?
petrol,
Yeah,
right.
Yeah, we get that and take it home and
Yeah, right,
give it
yeah.
to the family and friends. And
You can actually get in Australia at the Asian shops,
not anymore.
but it's
not in Perth.
it's not cheap. Yeah.
Not we've looked
Oh, you can't?
everywhere, man.
Yeah, you used to be
can't
able to
find
get it. Yeah.
No,
Anyway.
can't find it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks a bit-
Skippy.
Here he is. I thought, who's that handsome-looking barlays? And then I realised it's just
I'm here
Skippy.
with my brother because he.
You got Blackjack up there. You got Blackjack up there, have you? All right.
Yeah.
Might come up in a minute, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just on my way.
Right, so that was
now.
Skippy.
Yeah.
Skippy's got his own bar up there. just about, we're at Joseph's Bar at the moment, right at the gates of Molesty. And,
yeah, man.
yeah.
Putting me to shame.
Old Skippy's got his own little beach bar, Skippy's Bar, just up from Joseph's.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Been a long morning, man. We've had no sleep.
Oh, okay. Did beer taste
Right,
better?
mate.
Oh, I will, mate. I'm tonguing. Oh, I'll probably see you.
Okay, this is my brother. This is Corey.
Hey,
Hello.
Gary, yeah.
how you going?
Yeah.
How are you, mate?
He's the rich doctor.
Oh, okay. You're
On the black sheep.
Yeah, right, mate. This is the Trumpalite.
So you think.
My missus nicknamed him. Looks like Donald Trump with long
It
hair.
is. He's Donald Trump's secret love child from the 50s. He is. Yeah. He is.
Yeah.
He's related.
That's what we call. I'm going down
Okay,
to
Corey,
Sunny's.
good to see you again,
Yeah,
bro.
good to see you,
Have
man.
a good one. Yeah, no worries.
I'll keep watching,
Don't
mate.
forget, drop a comment. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do every
Alright.
now and then. I'll put them
What
in.
is
I'll whack you in a video.
Subscribe and like.
No worries.
Yeah.
Make a bad comment about a
Too
bags
easy,
under
guys.
his eyes.
Nice to meet you. Take care, man.
A white
How
ant,
are you, man? Stop.
a white ant walks into a bar and he goes, "Is the bartender here?"
I like that one. Oh, Fitzy, you know Grant?
How are you, mate?
You know-
Yeah, I've seen him around here.
Yeah, yeah.
How you going?
How are you?
He's been looking for his hotel room for a year.
He's been sleeping on the beach.
I've got a good memory. I'll carry on. I'll come back and maybe have a pot of tea with you later.
Yeah,
Pot
very
of
funny,
tea,
very
yeah.
funny. But carry on up the Legian. Carry on is a very
Carry on
good
up the Legian.
film franchise.
Yeah.
All right, so Swifty, Dr. Swifty, he just swapped me a $100 bill, and I've never seen one with this clear window, like, because I've been out of Australia so long, I don't know what the notes are like. So he swapped me $100 Australian if I paid their bill, which was $720,000. So that's pretty good. So I'm ahead $500,000. I'm ahead $50. Look at that. But yeah, I've never seen a $100 Australian bill like this. Yeah. Anyway, I hope it's real. Hey, fancy meeting you here. Oh, he's on the Arak again.
You know the Bali tequila to Bali? Come to Taxi Bar and you know the and let's go.
All right, so how are you? Yeah. Yeah, so you're here for what, 9 days or something, isn't it? Up from Perth, yeah. Oh, I was talking to your husband down there before.
No, no, he wants you at home.
Oh, does he? Yeah, right. You're the noisy one in the corner.
Yeah, that's Trump.
Right. So she's going to take you and the kids to the water bomb, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, but yeah.
Love my family from Australia.
And I've just had my first taste of
All right. No.
Turn now.
Cannot.
Yeah, come on. Show me.
If I die of methanol poison,
We're gonna die here.
my ghost is going to come back and haunt you forever.
Oh, good smile.
Yes.
It's pretty noisy around here, isn't it?
It
Look at
is,
him,
yeah.
see, that shuts him up.
Yeah.
Don't like the camera.
The locals are always noisy.
Fuck's sake. How are you, mate?
I'm good, buddy. Very
So,
good.
where are you from?
I'm from Perth.
Perth?
Yeah, from the Swan Valley, actually. Live up the wineries.
Swan Valley, where there's the Black Swan Valley.
It is the Black Swan Valley, yes, where the old Jaeger mob used to live.
So, you've got a channel, I hear, eh?
I got a bit of a brick paving channel in Perth, yes, called Straight Line Paving. That's
So,
the,
anyway, give us a plug about your channel.
my channel is on Straight Line Paving. I do paving in Perth.
All right.
Look under Straight Line Paving, mostly in the Swan Valley up in the hills.
That's a bit of a comedy shit, all right?
Oh, I do a bit of comedy shit, but before and after shots, and keep it real, really, and then do a great
So
job.
what's the name of your channel?
Straight Line Paving.
Straight Line Paving.
You know why I call it Straight Line Paving? Because all the lines are straight.
Oh, I don't lie. I bet you're one of them bodgy landscapers.
No. Those landscapers haven't got a degree in paving. I have a degree in paving.
right.
A degree.
You got that out of a cornflake box, or what? No?
No, Wheat Bix actually.
So how long are you
Or
for?
Fruit Loop.
How long are you for in Bali?
Oh, I come here every, say, 6 times a year. Every couple of months come here, stay for 14
6 times a
days.
year must pay good, the old pavement,
Well,
mate.
yeah, there's a lot of cash.
So where do you normally stay on this side?
Stay in
Legian?
at the Magani, so I plug the Magani at Legian.
You stay in Legian or Gooda? Or
Pretty much
always
Legian. Yeah, where the real people are. Don't want to stay on Kuda. Edit that one. Edit that one.
Oh, I'll leave it in, mate. You're doing all the talking, not me. So you're up here 6 times a year?
Basically, yeah, last year 8.
And so what do you do normally? Just relax, or are you going around?
I come to
Bali
this lovely
doing
bar
any shit?
called the KC Bar.
All right.
Hang out with a few lovely people.
I wonder where that is. I've never heard of it.
Hang out with this lovely guy called Rudy. Which you think there he is? Get on camera, Rudy.
Oh, everyone knows Rudy. He's
Dutch
a
mate.
regular on the show.
Do you know why Rudy?
So obviously he'll be back when he comes back.
I've already booked to come back in October. So then I'll be back in Christmas. And then I'll be back in March and then June. And just, you know what? If I work in Perth, spend my money here with the locals, it's the best place to live the life.
Oh, so if you say you're from Perth, so it's easy to get up there, isn't it?
3 hours flight, tops.
Right. Yeah. You may as well take some Indonesians back and do the paving, and you can just stay here.
Too easy, mate.
What do you reckon?
What they get paid is probably more than they get paid for a month in a day.
They would.
They would.
Yeah.
$400 a day they get paid over there.
Daily wage would be a month's salary.
You just get $400 a day, yeah.
All right. Well, it must be your shout then, mate.
Yes, it is.
It is.
My shout.
All right.
Goes,
ring the bell. Ding,
ring the bell.
Ding,
Shout
ding,
the bar.
ding.
Shout the bar.
The bar, mate.
Legend, bro.
Shout the bar.
I'll have a double Bacardi and Coca-Cola, thanks.
Yeah. No, go for it. Whatever you guys want to drink. Whatever you want to drink.
And a bottle of Arac for you.
Yeah. The bottle of Jägermeister. You don't get a shot of Jägermeister.
He's always smiling even when he's confused.
Hey, Gus, I'll have your last cup of Iraq. Please subscribe to this guy's channel. Absolute legend, Bali local, Bali bully, top bloke, and he's got a heart of gold.
No, I don't know about the heart of gold bit. If I had a heart of gold, my wife would have already melted me down and cashed me in. Yeah, so what are you up to?
Oh, just chilling in Bali for 9 days.
9 days,
Yeah.
all right. Good one.
Come on,
and you're another Perth Aryan, or?
Yeah, another Perth boy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Live out in the Morley way.
All right. So what are you going to do while you're here? Going to relax or just hang out? Or
just chill.
Go travelling
Just
or
hang
anything?
out. Yeah. We won't try to get out too much. The traffic's bloody hectic here.
Yeah, it's
crazy,
getting
man.
worse, the traffic, isn't
The
it?
traffic's too hard to get anywhere, man.
Yeah.
You know, it just takes forever.
So you come up here quite a bit, don't you? Yeah.
Yeah. Debbie, my wife, she does a girls' trip once a year, and usually around October time, her and her mates come up.
Yeah, right.
And we spend our time between here and Thailand.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and I've been coming here for, 30 odd years now to Bali,
Yeah, right.
on and off. Don't sit.
So you've also got a channel, have you?
Yeah, I have.
You have, all right. Give us a plug on that.
Oh, it's Mocha Man and Buns.
Mocha Man and Buns. All right, I'll look it up, and if I have, I'll put the link in the description.
Yeah, have a
So
look.
we've got the Motley Paver over here.
Yeah,
And I
Mocha
got
Man and Buns.
this
I'm
one-
just starting off. There's it's just little snippets of my trips where we've been, and
All right, yeah,
mostly Thailand and a little bit of Bali in it.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Mocha Man and Buns. All right, well, I'll check that out.
Yeah, check me out, subscribe, like, put a comment, get me up there.
No worries. All right, mate.
All right, take care. Nice to meet you, man.
again. All
Take
right.
care.
No worries.